Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo chef, and welcome back to my bar. I've been doing some odd tequila cocktails using an aperitif, which is like Aperol is an aperitif, but I've been using a different one. This is called Aperix. I happen to like it better. But today we're going to do another one. So everybody's heard of a tequila sunrise. How about a tequila sunset? So this one's going to be served up like a martini. So we got a shaker. We'll use 1 ounce of the aperitif. You could use Aperol if you'd rather. I'm going to use the Aperix. Okay. We'll also use 1 ounce of blood orange juice. Now, I like the flavor of blood orange juice better, but if you want to use just regular orange juice, that's fine too. 1 ounce of that. And this is Lakewood Organic brand, one of my favorites. 100% juice, not from concentrate. Then I've got 2 ounces of Grand Marnier, one of my single favorite things on the planet. A cognac orange liqueur. There's just nothing else like it. 2 ounces of that. And last but not least, we need tequila. So we're going to use an añejo, and this is Hornitos Añejo, mainly because I don't like to mix in good añejo. This is not a terrible tequila, but it's better for making mixed drinks with. That's all goes in it, 4 items. We're going to give it a good shake. And run it through the strainer into the martini glass. And that is a tequila sunset. It's pretty. Oh, that's really good. You should try this. You should definitely try this. Till next time, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment on the video. Let me know if there's something you'd like me to make. Bill at Kansas Flamingo Chef. Visit the website, kansasflamingochef.com. I'll see you on the next one. Eat fabulous.
In the heart of Kansas, under sky so clear, lives a chef with a flair, bringing folks some cheer. With a pinch of love and a dash of zest, he's the Kansas Flamingo, and his meals are the best.